Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Sunnybrook is a well-established neighborhood in the city of Red Deer, Alberta, known for its quiet residential streets and strong connection to green space. The area developed as Red Deer expanded during the later 20th century, creating family-friendly neighborhoods close to schools, parks, and community services. Today, Sunnybrook remains a popular place to live, offering a balance between city convenience and access to nature. One of the defining features of Sunnybrook is its access to parks and walking trails. The neighborhood connects to a wider trail system that runs through Red Deer, allowing residents and visitors to explore wooded areas, creek valleys, and open parkland. Piper Creek flows near the area, and the surrounding trees and natural spaces help preserve wildlife habitat while offering scenic outdoor areas throughout the seasons. A major historical highlight of the area is the Sunnybrook farm site, one of the oldest farms in the region. In 1899, a settler named James Bower arrived in the Red Deer area and established a farm that would become well known for raising purebred cattle and Percheron horses. The Bower family farm played an important role in the agricultural development of central Alberta and helped shape the rural character of the surrounding land. Over time, as Red Deer expanded outward, the farmland that once stood alone became surrounded by growing neighborhoods. In 1988, members of the Bower family donated part of their land so it could be preserved as a historical site. That land later became the Sunnybrook Farm Museum, where preserved barns, machinery, and historic buildings help tell the story of early farming life in Alberta from the late 19th century through the mid-20th century. Today, Sunnybrook combines this sense of history with modern living. The neighborhood includes schools, local services, and convenient access to nearby shopping areas. Its location within Red Deer makes it easy to travel across the city while still enjoying quieter residential surroundings. The nearby green spaces and established layout give Sunnybrook a settled, welcoming character that reflects decades of steady community growth. Like many neighborhoods in Red Deer, Sunnybrook reflects the city's connection to agriculture, transportation, and regional development. Its mix of residential areas and preserved historical land offers a glimpse into how farming communities gradually evolved into modern cities. Thanks for watching!